How to stop Mac apps from launching at startup? Does your Mac slow to crawl thanks to apps that spring to life upon startup? Here, how to disable and manage startup items to stop them in their tracks. When your Mac boots up, are you bombarded with a series of programs you did not open and don't regularly use? Startup apps are convenient, but the functionality is too often abused by developers desperate for you to use their product. These apps can eat up precious memory and slow down your computer. What's worse is many make it hard to even shut them down. The good news is that you can fight back. Here are several ways to take control of startup apps in a macOS. 1. Temporarily disable startup apps. Don't want to wait but are not ready to permanently disable everything. You can temporarily disable startup apps. Enter your login information as you normally would, but hold down the shift key on the keyboard before submitting your credentials. Continue holding until the dock appears and the startup apps would not load at that time. Second, disable startup apps. The simplest way to disable an app from launching on startup is from the dock. Control click on the app and hover over options in the menu. Apps that are set to open automatically will have a check mark next to open at login. Click that option to uncheck it and disable it from opening. Third, delete login items instead of hunting from each app, though you can do it for all from one place from your user profile. A login items menu in macOS Ventura and higher. Go to system settings, general login items. For those on older systems, head to system preferences, user and groups login items. Here you will see a list of apps set to launch on startup. You can remove any item in the list if you highlight it, then click the minus button. On older operating systems, certain apps can be set to launch at a startup without necessarily popping up onto the screen. This ensures the program would not get in your way but will be ready to use when it's needed. When it's needed, just tick the hide box next to each app listed. Newer system grant less control, but you can still disable certain apps under the allow in the background section. 4. Remove launch daemons and agents. If you still have certain programs opening when you boot up your Mac, it's likely due to launch daemons and agents hidden in your libraries. These files are hidden in place you would not normally look and tell the computer to launch programs independently of regular startup items. They can even be used for nefarious purposes. You can find them in a number of places. Open your disk drive in Finder. It's usually named Macintosh HD by default. Then open library and look for folders named launch agents and launch daemons. They may also be separately stored within your computer. Hidden files. Open Finder, click go and hold down the option key. Select the library folder that appears and again look for launch agents and launch daemons folders. Within these folders are list files that may be connected to certain programs or service.